We don't need SEO consultants anymore. If you disagree, comment, but I'm going to show you ChatGPT plugin that solves all your SEO issues. I cannot explain how much my SEO increased since I've been using ChatGPT and this plugin, which is called SEO Core AI. And I'm going to show you right now what happened, how this analysis actually work. Okay, so you have to upgrade to ChatGPT 4 Plus and then enable SEO Core AI plugin. Whatever query you do, you have to be very specific. So what I've used was analyze this website, find the key elements to improve SEO and ranks, what is needed to change or create to have a better impact on search results, and what is the focus keyword I should focus on, put the URL of my website in, used SEO Core AI based on a blah blah blah. So load speed, this website load speed is whatever. I don't even know what it means. Like, I know what is website load speed, but like 1940, like, is it the year? Anyway, well, this isn't terrible, it could be improved. Google considers blah blah blah. Title tags, this is your title tags, it could be improved. Meta description, it even gives me like suggestions for my tags. So, you know, include more relevant keywords. How can I help you make your brand visible on socials? Could be changed to how can I improve your brand social media visibility with video content. Amazing. I can just like replace what I've done. Keyword focus. It's important to conduct research, which we're gonna do. Content. The body content is relatively low. Adding more high quality content-rich content could be foreign blog posts. Good. This is the first kind of like the analysis overall, right? Sitemap, both are present, functioning correctly, which is good for SEO. Good. Remember, blah, blah, blah. So my next question was, how I go point by point, right? So literally it's like how to load website quicker. And then optimize images, of course, minify CSS, blah, blah, blah. Is there a plugin for WordPress to minify CSS? Yes, there are several plugins, auto-optimize, so it gave me the names of the plugins, so I actually used before this one, so I decided to use it again. So my next question was, what keyword would you recommend to focus on based on the content of the website? And then it gives me the keywords I should focus on. Okay, I'm like, okay, awesome. And then where should I include long tail keywords on my website? So it literally, the last paragraph was consider long tail keywords, right? And then my question was, where should I include long tail keywords in my website? Page data, URLs, all suggestions, image alt text, I do know that. Internal, external link text. When linking to other pages on your site, try to use long tail keywords. This is awesome suggestion, like, oh my God. What would you say are my long tail keywords based on the content of my website? You know, I'm not gonna spend hours to do this research. Let's go. And it gave me the list of long tail keywords to include. I'm like, whoa. Next question. Does all-in-one SEO WordPress plugin submit URL to Google automatically? So I was thinking about, because of the sitemaps, so when you post a new blog, you index it. You can index it manually through Google Console. However, I thought, because I'm using all-in-one SEO plugin, so I thought if this does it automatically. So I asked it, and then it's like, yes, it does. No, does not automatically submit your URL to Google, blah, 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 blah. And then does it update sitemap once it's submitted? And then yes. So basically, you know, it gave me the wrong answer, and then based on the query, it gave me the good answer. And then, can you give me suggestions on blogs I can write, the exact title and topic to cover to boost my search results, aligned with my keywords, based on the previous conversation? Okay, and it gave me the ideas for the exact blogs I have to write. The importance of video production in digital marketing. Topic, it gave me the topic, it gave me another one. How to choose the right social media platforms for your video content. Like, I have 7 of these suggestions, right? I could add, like, can you give me some more? This is absolutely amazing. What WordPress plugin can I use to downscale my website images to improve loading speed? Okay. Again, it gave me the exact plugins. Anything that you need. So the first, it's gonna go do the analysis, and then you start asking questions, like how to do things. And as the result, my organic search for my website increased 60%. Oh my God. Okay. If I go to my Search Console, so this is my Google Console, and literally, so you can see This was my previous one, okay? So like very slow growth because I didn't care about SEO. So I started around June 19, right? June 19, and this is literally clicks, organic search, okay? Google search impact. So 80 clicks from Google search, organic search, June 19th, June 20, 90, 21, 100, 24, 120. And then so basically every day I get around 10 to 20 organic clicks from search results. From my previous was 0. So like I literally every day, and this is taking impact, like it's gonna take a little bit of more time, so I need to be patient. But within a couple of days, I started receiving 10 to 20 clicks from out of nowhere. This is literally organic search. So I can say I don't need an SEO consultant because I can do it myself with amazing ChatGPT, and this plugin is mind-blowing. So I want you to go and try this and let me know how it worked for you. And I will update you on my results in a couple of months once this fully takes on Google. And then this video is going to have part 2, so don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it. If you found this video helpful, do subscribe, like it, share with everybody. And if you have any questions, comment below. I'm gonna answer all of them. I'll see you next time.